All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 BMW. It is the 430 X Drive, which means it's all-wheel drive. This beautiful gray with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, heated seats, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Only 42,000 miles. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have a little dent right there in that corner, less than an inch, but it is there. The hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's get your tire third. Just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. And here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing in your tire third. Over 730 seconds. Is a nice shot of your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears or rips. It is a memory seat. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, super nice. Let me jump into this vehicle. Push start system. Does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Plus you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got the Navi system, heated seats, all that nice stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. Alright. Got your Navi systems, your maps and stuff like that right there. Boom. Stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in their mileage of 42,850. Alright, that pretty much completes the tour for in here. Let's keep it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks nice. See a little ding here, less than an inch right on top. That's what your trunk space looks like. Boom. Of course, I do have a picture of this thing folded up. Got a little power button there which adjusts the height of this. It's pretty cool. This quarter does have a little ding right there. No paint off, but it is there. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread over 730 seconds. This door has a little chippy right here in the corner, probably from opening the doors onto other cars. Other than that, looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread over 730 seconds. Lights are working, headlights are working, fog lights are working. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 BMW 430i. It is the X Drive model with 42,000 miles. Any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.